I'm Fabian, the Managing Director of INBUS, a pretty well-known German hand tool brand famous for its L-key. Talking about circular challenges, or better said, opportunities, we looked at our product, for instance, that one here, the classic L-key set. As you can see, there's a plastic holder, and that plastic holder is manufactured by injection molding. And looking at that entire process, so not only at the end of the life cycle, what are we gonna do with the plastic holder when the set, for instance, is replaced by our customer, but also looking at the manufacturing process itself, we identified that these tiny pieces, so the residual of the injection molding process, could be used in a different way, or in a different way that it is currently used, meaning that we could shred it and then, for instance, use it for so-called 3D filament, and maybe then manufacture accessories for our tools from it.
For our collaboration with INBUS named Iconic Order, we have developed 7 ready-to-print storage solutions for their most popular products. The wall mounts and table stands represent a whole new digital layer to their physical products. In addition, we have carried out a feasibility study to evaluate if we can use their internal waste streams for filament production.
Ich bin Milan von Keytech. Wir sind ein Startup hier aus Oppenheim und wir recyceln Plastikmüll zum neuen 3D-Druckfilament. Wir haben heute den Industriemüll von INBUS bekommen. Die Angusskanäle, die bei der Produktion der Halterung für die Imbusschlüssel entstehen, die haben wir heute alle bekommen und geschreddert. Dann hatten wir die kleinen Flakes, quasi Plastikschnipsel. Die haben wir dann in unserer Schmelze eingeschmolzen bei 200 Grad circa und hatten diesen dünnen Faden erhalten. Das ist das 3D-Druckfilament, quasi die Tinte für unsere 3D-Drucker. Und dieses 3D-Druckfilament haben wir jetzt nicht nur komplett aus Plastikmüll hergestellt, sondern wir haben es auch auf unsere recycelten Spulen aufgewickelt. Das Besondere bei den Spulen ist, dass man die aufklippen kann, wenn sie leer sind, und dann wieder nachfüllen kann. Das heißt, man braucht nicht jedes Mal eine neue Spule, sondern kann die gleiche Spule immer wieder verwenden.
As a result from the study, we've been able to use the filament for prototyping and the development of the collection. But of course, for mass market printing application, there's still some way to go. However, the collection and our study are a crucial first step towards closing the loop. The users will be able to download the products for free and print their required storage systems right at home without any need for transportation and order times.
Now we are in a position where we can offer these accessories for basically every single product of our assortment. So I would say that's really a great addition to what we can offer and a great added value to the customer.